Welcome to the Bentley Systems training course where you will learn how to design steel connections using RAM Connection Standalone. RAM Connection Standalone is used for the design and detailing of steel connections, and it can design individual shear, moment, brace, splice, and truss connection types to a variety of different steel design codes. In this particular video, we're going to be focusing on the workflow for assigning a standard T shear connection to beam to column joints and also to beam to girder joints. We will now turn our attention to our sample model in RAM Connection Standalone. And I'm going to start by selecting joint number 1, which is a typical beam column flange joint with a shear reaction imposed upon it. Now I'm going to assign a standard T section, and I'm going to use the basic connection workflow for this. So I'm going to select the Design tab in the ribbon toolbar, click on the Assign option, and then I'm going to go to the Basic Connection options. I'm looking for the acronym ST for Standard T, and I can see that I have two distinct options. I can go with an all bolted or basically an all welded connection design. I'm going to go ahead and select the welded option, so it's going to be welded to the support and welded to the beam section. After the connection is assigned, let's go ahead and click Close and take a look at the template that was selected. Let's go ahead and review this connection design a little further. So I'm going to click on the Edit icon, and then I'm going to tell it I want to edit a shear connection. Now the first thing I'm going to notice is that in the ribbon, my connection design is currently passing. My interaction ratio is less than 1.0, and it is color-coded in green, meaning that no warnings or errors were produced. Let's go ahead and scroll on down and take a look at some of the parameters that we can customize for this connection type. Here you can see that we can select an alternate shape or size of our T section, and you can see we can use any of the predefined databases available within the program. We can customize the material and the T length as well, and then we can also enter some beam side and support side connector information. In addition to this, from the connection pad, we can also review the DXF view and also the connection report. Let's go ahead and click on the results icon now to review our steel connection report, where we can see all of the results of the geometric considerations and the design checks that were performed. If we would like some additional information in this report, we can click on the View Formulas icon to see the formulas and the variables that were used to arrive at these results. Now for this particular connection, I didn't make any changes, so I'm just going to exit out of the connection pad. Had I made any changes, I can click on the Save icon. I'm also going to assign this connection type to one of my beam girder joints in this model, so I'm going to select joint number 5. I'm going to come up to the Design tab in the ribbon toolbar, click on the Assign icon, and this time I'm going to go with a basic connection workflow, but I'm going to go with a basic ST all bolted. The connection was assigned, so I'll go ahead and click on the Close icon, and again I can review from this area the template that was selected. If I would like to make any changes, I can click on the Edit and then Shear Connection icon. Let's go ahead and scroll down, and here we can see that I can adjust my beam to girder alignment. I can also review the connector and the fasteners from both the beam side and the support side, and both of these can be changed from bolted to welded. Now at this point, again, I didn't make any changes, so I'm just going to close out of the connection pad. And at this point, this concludes my process for assigning a standard T connection template to a beam to column joint and also a beam to girder joint.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.